I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree beauty haul. So this is all my makeup products. I did film another video where I talked about my skincare, body care, all of those miscellaneous products. So if you want to see that, that's in my Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below. But today it is all beauty products. If you want to see what I found in my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. Why don't we start off with the first product here. This is more on the miscellaneous side. This is the Beep Color Makeup Correcting Gel Pen. I really love these types of products, especially because I do a lot of wing liners. Sometimes I tend to mess up, and I like these type of products to have, especially when I'm going to work. I have no time to spare. I could just clean something up, or if I accidentally get some mascara on the lower lash line or something, I like to use this type of product to correct my mistakes. So it says it instantly corrects makeup mistakes on brows, eyes, and lips, and it is infused with vitamin E. So it looks like so. There's a close-up look at the product. Ooh, what? Interesting. It looks like a clear kind of jelly product. Okay, cannot wait to try this out. Okay, next let's go into the products that I'm actually not going to open because I am gonna donate these. I'm gonna take them to work and see if some of the students want to use these. I just know I'm not gonna get any use out of these products if I open them and leave them in my collection, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take them. This is the Eylure times Thalia Brow Contour in Champagne and Rose Shimmer. It is a 2-in-1 brow color and highlight, which looks like so. Again, in the shade Champagne and Rose Shimmer. So I did see this at my local Dollar Tree. It does come with a dual product, but again, I'm not going to use this, so I'm just going to leave it in its packaging. Starry Eyeliner Gel is a new formula and rich color and smooth application. It comes with a little gel pot and also a little brush. This one here is in the shade Black. We also have this LA Colors Iced Pigment Powder. They had a couple other colors in these loose pigments. I went ahead and picked up the one in foiled, and this is their loose metallic powder in this really beautiful gray tone. But again, I have so many of these types of products, I don't need another one, so I'm going to leave this in its packaging. 3 more products that I'm not going to open. These are from Just for Girls, and this is the Light Up Your Lips, what are you, High Shine Lip Gloss. It comes with little confetti flames inside, which looks like that. Really cute. 2 other products I'm not going to open. I'm honestly not going to get any use out of these. These are also from Just for Girls, and this is a Light Up Your Lips Lip Gloss Duo. Comes with a light pink and a dark. And then we also have the High Shine Lip Glosses, also in a couple of pink shades. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give these away. So let's get into the makeup that can actually open up. First off, we have the Candy Mojo Long Wear Multi-Usage Contour Concealer. This one here is in the shade Medium Brown, which looks like so. There's a close-up look at that concealer. Looks really nice. I honestly don't want to swatch it just yet. The color actually looks a little light for me, but it looks like those like clicky kind of products, and then it comes out at the top. But I want to use this together with you guys on camera, so I'm not going to go ahead and get in here, but there's a look at that concealer. And it also did come in like 2 other shades, I believe. Next, we have a Flower Beauty product. This is their Liquid Kajal Blendable Eyeliner, and it is a shadow and liner in one. It says double action, and it is a silky formula. This one here is in the shade Starry, and it just looked really beautiful. You guys know how much I love my liquid liners. So let's see how this works. There's a close-up look at that. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh. Oh. That looks beautiful. It is like a dark blue liner. There's a look at the applicator. Let's go ahead and talk about Remi Rose. I have quite a few products from them as well. First off, we have the Remi Rose Lip Exfoliator, and these were part of their holiday collection. They have like little snowflakes on them, but yeah, I didn't get to it until after Christmas because again I was sick. But you know, all of these products you can use whenever you want. I'm always looking for a new lip exfoliator, so there's a look at that. I did pick up a lip gloss. This is the Remi Rose lip gloss in the shade Kacie. Such a beautiful color. And you guys know I literally have so many of these lip glosses in my collection. I just love the formula. There it is there. Such a beautiful, like, everyday-ish kind of moment. There's the shade Kacie right there. Picked up 2 of their liquid lipsticks. I have an extra one which I'm going to give to my sister because of her name. This one here. So I have the liquid lipstick in the shade Camilla, which is a dark pink kind of shade. And then we have this like light tone. It looks beautiful in the shade Samantha. So I did pick this up twice so I can give it to her. There's a close-up look at the 2 shades that I purchased. These are honestly a really great formula. If you guys know, you know. Here's the shade Samantha, really beautiful cool toned pink, and then the shade Camilla, which is a dark pink. Into Ioni Cosmetics, I found a couple of their new products. These are the Shea Butter lipsticks from Ioni Cosmetics, and this one here is in the shade Sparkle Red. And we also have this nude gold lipstick, Shea Butter lipsticks. I was really intrigued to see how this one looks because it is like a light color. There's a close-up look at the lipstick. Ooh. So this is After Party. Oh, that looks so beautiful and it's nice and creamy. Let's look at this one. Oh, interesting. So I'd say this is more like a lip balm vibe, but it does have like shimmers to it. Interesting. I did also see these at my local Dollar Tree. These are called their Brow Mechanical Brow Pencils. We have the shade Medium Brown and the shade Brown. There's a close-up look at that. It looks so cool. Honestly, look really intriguing. Okay, so let's swatch dark brown. There's the dark brown and medium brown. Cannot wait to try these on the brows. They look so cool, really intriguing, and honestly better quality than they're just like original pencil brow products. These look so cool. Cannot pass up on this color here. This is one of their glitter liners, Ioni Cosmetics Sparkle Liner, Sparkle Pink, Pink Rose. And this one's in Birthday Princess. Look at how cute. Look at how beautiful that looks. It's just like a liquid glitter. Beautiful. I also purchased 2 blushes from Ioni. We have their blush in pink gold and also the one in French pink. And these were all like their New Year's collection, I believe. There's a look at the French pink. Let me go ahead and swatch. There's a look at the first one. This one's more shimmery vibes. Beautiful. I did go ahead and repurchase a couple of my powders. Both of them are from Be Pure. We have their Be Pure Essentially Ageless Blurring Press Powder in the shade Light Medium. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this in my collection because I did hit pan and I just got rid of them. But here's a new and improved one. Really love this powder. I also picked up the Be Pure Infused Press Face Powder, and this is just their translucent one. And this is also it provides a smooth and matte finish. Really love this one as well. You can't really pick a favorite. I really like both of them. One is just translucent vibes and the other one has a little bit of a tint to it. I also picked up this Be Pure Hydrating Mascara, and it is in black. It also does have hyaluronic acid. It says it gives your lashes a boost of hydration and volume. Now I'm not going to take this out of the packaging because I do have a foundation in the same packaging, so I just kind of want them to match when I do use them on camera. So I'm not going to use this just yet or open it just yet, but we will be trying it together on camera. Be Pure came out with this like clean line. First off, we have the Clean Beauty Satin Lipstick. They had a few colors in these lipsticks, but I just went ahead and picked up the one in Classic Red. Oh, it looks like so. Ooh. Oh, that's stunning. Love that color. I also went ahead and picked up the Clean Beauty Lip Jelly in the shade Rose or Rosé. That's a really nice packaging. Look at how cute that is. Love. And it says Clean Beauty for peace of mind, high shine with rich hydration. So I think this is like a gloss vibe. Oh, that's really pretty. Also saw the Clean Beauty Glow Foundation, and they had quite a few colors in these foundations. We have the shade Nude. Again, it says glow, so I'm guessing it's like a hydrating foundation. It says Clean Beauty for peace of mind, formulated with niacinamide and aloe. And in the shade Nude, it says it's paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free, and vegan. And this is it compared to their hydrating under eye concealer. Look at how small that is. And then we also have the Essentially Ageless foundation. Look, it's like super tiny. It almost looks like the size of the Airway Studio concealer. Yep, it's just like a little bigger, but look at that. Interesting. So cannot wait to try this out on the face and see how it looks. I've honestly had really great really great experiences with quite a few foundations from the Dollar Tree. So Be Pure also really great foundations in the past, so cannot wait to try this out. I also do have the Clean Beauty Lip Color and Cream Blush Duo. Also did come in a couple other colors, but I just went ahead and picked up this one here. It just looked the most beautiful to me, and this one here is in the shade Late Night. And this is a 2-in-1 lip color and blush duo that says it instantly blends for a dewy glow look. Look at that product, nothing really special. On the back it does say Clean Beauty, tells you what it is, thankfully. Really pretty color. And there's it swatch. Oh, it's like very light vibes. Okay, cute. And lastly, to end this haul, we have 2 brushes. So they did have quite a few face brushes, but you guys know how much I love my big poofy powder brushes, so I picked up 2 different ones. We have like a contour one, and this is like their powder one. Yeah, this is from MHB Must Have Beauty. This is a large powder brush, but there's a look at that. Nothing special, it's like a little cheapy vibe, but look at that barrel, so cute. Also picked up another one from the Must Have Beauty. This is their foundation brush, but it looks like a contour brush to me, like slightly slanted. So cute. All right, so those were the last products from today's haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, as you guys know, here on my channel. I'm going to be doing a full face of Dollar Tree soon using all of these new products, so definitely subscribe. Don't forget to like as well before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.